Are you looking for a cost-effective, robust sensor for mobile machines? Then I have here the perfect solution for you. Welcome to SIKO. My name is Heiko, Product Manager in the Drive Technology and Robotics unit. Today I would like to introduce you our new MSK5000CAN bearingless encoder. The MSK5000CAN is a compact, robust and cost-effective incremental encoder with CANopen interface. It enables precise speed, direction of travel and position measurement. Perfect for mobile machines, commercial vehicles and AGVs. It can be used flexible with a magnetic tape for linear application or with a magnetic ring for rotary measurements. Thanks to its fully sealed electronics, it has a high protection class and is resistant to water, dust and dirt. A key advantage is that the MSK5000CAN combines the benefits of an incremental measurement system with the functionality of an absolute interface. The CANopen interface enables easy integration into your existing bus system. Please click on the links below in the video description for more information. I would be happy if our MSK5000CAN suits in your application. Please contact me if you need a test sample or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.